Burnout affects us all in different ways. It looks so different, and it's probably a combination of symptoms that builds up over weeks, months, years. Certainly did for me, and I ignored them all. And the consequences, if we don't take action, are profound. We really need to be noticing and learning about what this looks like so that we can help ourselves, but also we can help those around us. Did you know that in 2024, in the UK, 50% of educators felt burnt out? In 2023, in the USA, 74% of educators had high levels of stress frequently. It's all over the world. I speak to teachers in France, in New Zealand, in Australia, so many other countries, and it's the same everywhere. It's not okay. I've got a workshop coming up. Come along, or tell someone who needs it. Tell them to come along, because we're going to be looking at journaling, particularly as one of the key strategies that can help overcome burnout. It helps with self-awareness, it helps with mindset shifts, with changing habits, looking at what is working and what we're good at. So many benefits of journaling. So come along to the workshop and let's see whether we can help each other with some new strategies.